90 days from now, you wake up with a smile, feeling unstoppable. You're no longer just dreaming about a better life, you're living it. Transforming your life in 3 months isn't just a fantasy, it's a journey you can start today. This guide will show you step by step how to upgrade your mindset, habits, relationships, and career to create a life you'll love. Watch till the end and don't miss any point. I guarantee this video will change your life. Let's dive in. Week 1 to 4. Building a foundation for success. 1. Set clear goals. Change begins with clarity. What do you want to achieve in the next 90 days? Picture your ideal self and ask, what specific goals excite and challenge me? Why are these goals meaningful to me? Write your goals using the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, I want to get fit, aim for, I will lose 10 pounds by exercising 4 times a week and eating balanced meals. Make your goals so vivid they pull you forward every day. 2. Develop a growth mindset. Your mindset is the fuel for your journey. Start seeing setbacks as opportunities and failures as lessons. Dive into books like Mindset by Carol Dweck or binge podcasts that inspire resilience. Replace self-doubt with empowering affirmations like, I am capable of extraordinary change, or I shape my own future. 3. Create daily routines. Habits make or break transformation. Craft a powerful morning routine to jumpstart your day. Meditation. Quiet your mind for 5 to 10 minutes to center yourself. Journaling. Write about your dreams, your gratitude, and your daily intentions. Exercise. Energize your body with a workout, even if it's just a brisk 20-minute walk. Your morning routine is your secret weapon. Treat it as sacred. Week 5 to 8. Momentum and consistency. 4. Build keystone habits. Small habits can trigger life-changing results. Focus on eating healthy. Fuel your body with vibrant, nutrient-rich foods. Exercising regularly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of movement most days. Reading daily. Fill your mind with knowledge and inspiration that aligns with your goals. These keystone habits create a domino effect, making other positive changes easier to sustain. 5. Eliminate time-wasting activities. Time is your most precious resource. Identify distractions and cut them ruthlessly. That means replacing endless scrolling on social media or hours of TV with activities that move you closer to your dreams. Imagine what you could accomplish with just an extra hour a day focused on growth. 6. Surround yourself with positivity. Your environment shapes your success. Surround yourself with people who believe in you and your vision. Seek out mentors, supportive friends, or online communities that inspire action. Protect your energy by minimizing time spent with people who drain or doubt you. Week 9 to 12. Achieving breakthroughs. 7. Track your progress. What gets measured gets improved. Take time weekly to review your progress. Are you hitting your milestones? What's working well and what needs tweaking? Use habit trackers, journaling, or apps to visualize your growth. Celebrate how far you've come. Even small wins add up. 8. Embrace discomfort. Change thrives outside your comfort zone. Challenge yourself to try something new. Whether it's speaking up in a meeting, starting a passion project, or facing a fear head-on. Remember, every step outside your comfort zone builds resilience and confidence. 9. Celebrate small wins. Every step forward deserves recognition. Treat yourself when you hit a milestone. Enjoy a special meal, take a day off to relax, or reward yourself with something meaningful. Celebrating keeps your motivation high and reminds you that progress is worth it. Key areas to focus on. Personal development. Never stop learning. Invest in yourself by attending workshops, taking online courses, or exploring hobbies that ignite your passion. Personal growth fuels every other area of your life. Health and wellness? Your body is your foundation. Prioritize nutritious meals, quality sleep, and consistent exercise. A healthy body powers a sharp mind and unstoppable energy. Financial stability. Money impacts freedom. Create a budget, cut unnecessary spending, and explore ways to increase your income. When you master your finances, you free yourself to focus on higher goals. Relationships. Relationships are your greatest asset. Deepen your connections by being present, listening actively, and showing appreciation. Build a circle of support that lifts you higher. Conclusion: a new you in 90 days. Think about this. In 90 days, you can completely rewrite your story. With focus, consistency, and a commitment to growth, you'll look back on this journey with pride and gratitude. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the wins, and know that every small effort adds up to something extraordinary. So, are you ready to change your life in just 90 days? The clock is ticking. Let's get started. Your best self is waiting.